Magandang araw mga pre. Mayong buntag pod sa mga Bisaya diha. Sa bidyong ito muli nating balikan at pag-usapan ang ginawang RESBAK ni Donnie AHAS Nietes sa pinakaunang tumalo at nagmantsa sa malinis na kartada ni QUADRO ALAS Casimero at umagaw pa sa titulong hawak niya na WBO Interim Junior Flyweight. Pero kung bago ka sa aking munting tahanan, pasuporta naman pre, lalo na sa mga Bisaya po dira nga hilig og boxing. July 2010, natalo si QUADRO ALAS Casimero sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon at naagaw ang WBO na hawak niyang titulo mula sa kamay ng isang Mexicano na si Ramon Garcia Hirales via split decision. Lumipas ang isang taon, dumayo naman si Hirales sa Pilipinas para depinsaan ang titulong WBO Light Flyweight at ginanap ito sa Bacolod City noong October 8, 2011. Sa labang ito dala ni Donnie AHAS Nietes ang kartadang 28 wins at isang talo, habang si Hirales naman ay may 16 wins at 2 talo. Sa unang bahagi ng bakbakan ay palitan ng mga malulutong na suntok ang dalawa.
Actually, he told me he's planning to counter with the uppercut. Nietes, dating WBO mini flyweight champion. Nietes trying to go with the right hand. He's got a tremendous puncher. He is the heavyweight of this year. Garcia misses with the left and the right. Both fighters a little tense in this opening round. Nietes trying to crack him with the right from under. Good right hand. Nietes is sneaked in the right hand. Garcia tries to come back with a 1-2. Final 10 seconds.
At the first world title fight held here in Bacolod City. Good job by Nietes and a right to the side of the body. Pero may konting counter si Garcia.
Oh yeah, maganda yung counter ni Garcia. Right straight by Nietes. He's trying to work the right straight.
Combination from Garcia.
But Nietes comes up.
Samantalang itong si Garcia.
Although he's been fighting, he came to Cebu, he trained with Donnie AHAS Casimero.
That's interesting because Garcia actually defeated Donnie AHAS Casimero.
Well, he thinks he's a great fighter.
Dito sa Pinoy Pride 9, hatid sa inyo ng ABS-CBN Sports.
Nietes comes up nicely, tries to go in. Garcia throws punches. Nietes gets away very well, but Nietes was quick to that. He throws his punches from way out. Garcia. Nietes should be able to utilize that, you know, the good left punch, good left. Good right. Garcia comes back. Good right. Good right.
Sabi ni Garcia, wala daw yun. Shaking his head.
Nietes did catch him back.
Another right hand from Garcia coming forward. Nietes covering up. Stop. Championship match, Donnie Nietes, the challenger.
Round number 4.
Boy,
Yeah, in good right hand by Nietes.
actually this month also.
Yes, on the 29th of this month at the WBO convention. Nietes chopping with the left. Oh, good right hook by Nietes. That was a good punch. I think that shook up Garcia.
Nietes is able to land those rights as Garcia comes in.
Yes, I think he should. Nietes makes him a right.
Muling 10 segundo dito sa round number 4. Pinoy Pride 9, Nietes versus Garcia.
There goes the
Pinoy Pride 9.
The tempo really hasn't picked up in this fight so far.
Your flyweight belt. Uppercut from Nietes.
First the left, then the right. Sneaks in the right and then whirls around.
Another uppercut from Nietes.
Right.
Uppercut.
by Nietes. Good combination by Nietes, but Garcia comes back to the left of his own. Coming right hand by hook by
Another
Nietes.
uppercut from Garcia.
And a right uppercut by Nietes. Left hook. They're really battling it out.
The fight goes range with Garcia.
Nietes timing a little off. Nietes catches him. Garcia with a good right hand as he came in.
Both fighters with straight blows from close range here in this round.
Nietes with a good left hook. Final 10 seconds. Garcia pressing the action. Nietes ties him up.
Noy Pride 9, hatid sa inyo ng ABS-CBN Sport.
Cracking right hand. Garcia rocked by Nietes.
Galing si Garcia. Ito na si Nietes.
Nietes. Left uppercut by Nietes.
Under 2 minutes remaining here in round number 6. Nietes able to land a good shot.
Garcia misses.
Medyo naiinis si Garcia missing with that left.
And Nietes catches him with the right counter. Misses with the left uppercut.
Mas accurate so far yung pasintok ni Nietes dito sa round number 6.
Now they are beginning to slug it out. Nietes with the right straight.
Nietes wrapping up that right arm.
Muli po ang bakbakan by Nietes. Oh! He got caught with the right hand. You know, Nietes seems to be,
This is round number 7 scheduled for 12. World fight rate ni Nietes
That
dito
time
sa
you
round number 7.
pressing the action against Nietes. He picked the name Hirales, his mother's maiden name. He's pushing Nietes,
Tama sa ilalim ng kanamatan ni Nietes.
and Nietes gets caught on the ropes unnecessarily. And Garcia coming back. Good body shot. Nietes comes back with the left and the right. Good left hook by Nietes. But he's not finding the rhythm.
Round number 8 scheduled for 12.
Garcia corrects the good left. Garcia very, very aggressive.
Talagang dun bumaba yung work rate ni Nietes. Nietes
Wala talaga. He's not throwing anything.
tagged by
Time is running out on Nietes. I get the feeling. I don't like any really big punch so far.
Garcia.
Smart tactics that Garcia uses.
Garcia, the natural junior flyweight. Ni Nietes, tubong Murcia. Fights out of Bacolod City. Wala daw knockdown. No knockdowns yet in this fight.
See, he comes off the ropes and holds, so he can't fight. If you're holding, you cannot fight.
Sa mga huling bahagi ng bakbakan ay halatang pagod na ang dalawa, pero patuloy pa rin ang pagbato ng mga suntok at kombinasyon.
Oh, uppercut from Donnie Nietes. Patuloy ang pag-arangkada ni Garcia Hirales. Ramon Garcia.
And Garcia, the aggressor, coming forward the southpaw.
Nietes being more aggressive.
Good combination that time by Nietes. He's going to fight aggressively right now. Elbows and shoulder. Final 10 seconds. Good left by Nietes. But Hirales comes back. He's not, he's not smooth. He's punching. He's not.
Sa round na ito nagkaroon ng accidental headbutt si Nietes mga pre, at pansamantalang tinigil ng referee para matingnan ng doktor ang sugat.
telling him to attack Nietes. Left uppercut from Nietes.
Good right by Nietes. The crowd is on his feet, and Nietes tries to come back.
Headbutt.
Left by Nietes. This is a big round for Donnie that cut. He cannot. Good right by Nietes. He misses it.
Garcia.
Good right by
Nietes.
straight by Nietes. Hirales walking with that punch. Fourth and final round.
Kombinasyon mula kay Garcia.
And he uses the elbow. You know, Garcia uses the elbow very often this way. I've seen it so many times. So they've seen it a couple of times.
WBO Junior Flyweight belt on the line ng kampiyon si Garcia na challenger Nietes.
I think it's got good right by Nietes. Garcia continuing to press the action.
Oh, left uppercut there by Garcia. Nietes.
Garcia continuing to stalk Nietes. He can't win the fight going backward. Garcia all over him. Nietes can't find the room to punch. Garcia is very, very tired. Right uppercut by Nietes. Garcia comes back to the left.
Nanalo ang ating kababayan via unanimous decision at nakuha ang bagong titulo.
About 117 to 111, all for the winner and the new WBO Junior Flyweight.
Bagamat naka-RESBAK si Donnie AHAS Nietes sa tumalo kay QUADRO ALAS Casimero mga pre, ay naging controversial naman ang naging desisyon ng laban. Maraming nagsasabi na sobrang dikit daw ang bakbakan at dapat split decision or draw ang resulta. Sa tingin niyo pre, lalo na sa mga nakapanood ng live sa laban, tama lang ba ang unanimous decision na resulta? Comment your opinion below. Matapos ng laban nila, 10 laban pa ang sinalihan ni Hirales, pero 6 dito ay puro talo. Habang ang ating kababayang si Donnie AHAS Nietes ay patuloy sa pamamayagpag at ngayon isa na siyang 4 Division World Champion.